Hi nail friends, it's Marita and welcome back to Corgi's Wine and Nails. I do have a corgi named Ryder who runs around and makes noise during all of my videos. And we have a little sip of wine. Today, the fun nail part of the video is going to be the limited edition Diva box. This is the third Diva box released from Triple D, and I'm absolutely obsessed with everything that came inside of it. They are first come, first serve to get your hands on them every month. So if you're interested in getting a Diva box, be sure that you are part of the Triple D Facebook community so that you know when they drop. I'll leave that info in the description box below. First up, out of the box, we have Diva Dip 7. It's a beautiful deep gray. I love grays, and I just love actually the whole color story of this whole box. Diva Dip 8 is a beautiful soft pink that leans lavender. It's absolutely one of my new favorite colors. And then Diva Dip 9, you guys, she is the queen of all dips. She's got foil, she's got flakes, she's got shimmers, she's got glitters. She's just insane. I'll show you as soon as it's swatched. And then this is exciting. Kimber's Creations is the small brand that's featured in this month's box. And so Love Affair is this gorgeous, sparkly white and pink dip. It's gonna look amazing with all the other colors here. You'll see once they're swatched. And then this is exciting. This is a sneak peek, basically. This will be coming to the shop soon. It is a pink builder gel, and this is a mini size of it, but I'm obsessed with builder gel. I wear it under all of my dips, and I can't wait to wear the pink one. Here we have these really intricate little snowflakes. They're pink and white, so girly and fun. You can either apply them over your dip and encapsulate in clear, or you could even add them into that new pink builder gel and make some really fun designs. Also, there are sweater nail decals that are 3D in here, so you can just size these to your nail. I would recommend cut them kind of into strips, if that makes sense, and then lay them down, and they're just so fun. I love that. These little mini brushes will go perfectly with the builder gel. I love that they're branded, of course. Give me all the things Triple D, but they're also great for nail art. And then these tweezers are my favorite. They're like heavy, like there's like high quality, like you can just feel that there's weight to them. And I love that they're pink. I love that they say Triple D on them. This crown pin, stay tuned you guys. I'm gonna show you how to use this. I am obsessed with this crown pin. And then here are some holiday designs for foils. The foil liquid is one of the new items in the Triple D shop, so this is going to be really fun to experiment with. Basically, you apply the liquid, you cure it a little bit in your lamp, and then you just rub on these foils basically, and it leaves a really gorgeous print on your nail. Really easy, fun art. And then here is the business card for Kimber's Creations. I did confirm that Love Affair will be released in Kimber's shop, so head over to kimberscreations.com if you'd like to get your hands on Love Affair. The other three dips, Diva 7, 8, and 9, are exclusive only to the limited boxes that were sold. So once they were sold out, those are the only dips that were going to be made of those particular colors. Here's everything swatched, and seriously, so gorgeous. I love the color story here, and once you see it with the chromes, you're going to die. So let's start playing with our new chrome pin. One side is silver and one side is pink, and then I've already prepped 4 swatches. I did use gel liquids for this. You could use dip, but you'll still need gel base and gel top. On the swatches that I'm working on today, I just cured the white and black gels for 30 seconds in my UV LED lamp, and then it's so easy, you just gently rub in the chrome. So here what you see me doing is I'm actually reloading product onto the applicator, and the product's actually in the cap. So when you insert kind of like the main pin component back into the tip or the cap, it reloads the chrome powder onto the tip, and it's so easy, you guys. If you've ever tried chromes before and they come in like little jars and you have to use a makeup brush, they're really easy to spill. They kind of get everywhere. The chrome is like really just such a like little soft, delicate, fluffy type of powder, and it can get really messy. So I love that this is all self-contained. It's no mess. Seriously, this is so easy and fast to do. And so now we are going to apply it over the black, and you will see a, I think, pretty significant difference when you do it over black versus white. The black is going to make it more of a deeper silver, almost like I was thinking maybe like a gunmetal type of chrome silver. And then over the white, it looks more like a pearly silver. So you can actually do chrome over any base color. It will kind of pick up that background color depending on the kind of chrome you're using and depending on the background you're using. So these are really fun to experiment with, and I just love it. See how easy this is and fast? And now it's time for the pink. So the pink over the white is so sweet, such a pretty, beautiful color. I had decided immediately that I was going to use this absolutely in my mani. And so you'll see, I'll insert a picture of the mani I created. I ended up doing the silver and the pink chrome, both over white gel, and then I used Diva Dip 9 because she's just the most beautiful glittery, flaky, shimmery dip that's ever been created, and I'm obsessed. So keep watching and I'll show you what this looks like over white, and I'll show you what it looks like over black, but keep in mind you can absolutely experiment over other colors. And here it had plenty of product, and this is just me being extra. I just can't help myself. I was having fun playing with the pen, but you can see that there is a difference. And so I'm just going to lightly dust in case there is any excess chrome powder, but do it really gently. You don't want to disrupt your chrome on your beautiful swatches or on your beautiful nails. And then I'm going to apply the Triple D gel top coat. And at that point, then we'll be done. I'm going to cure it in my 50-watt lamp for 90 seconds. And all of these little babies will be perfectly sealed in, locked in, and looking super glamorous. And voila, here are our beautiful chrome babies. We did the silver and the pink over a black and a white gel for each one, and you can see what a gorgeous effect and different effect that they have. And they go great with these 4 dip colors that come with the box. You also get the 2 chromes, the foils. You're gonna get this amazing little tweezer. I love it, so cute. And then these little sweater decals. There's also more sweater decals that come in the box that were a little surprise. You get the little mini builder gel, the mini brushes that are for nail art or builder gel, and those little intricate snowflakes. So much stuff here and so much fun. Here are our gorgeous babies, up close and personal. Obsessed with Diva 7, 8, and especially 9. Kimber's Creations Love Affair is also gorgeous, and that one will be available at kimberscreations.com, so shop over there and pick that one up. The Diva dips are always going to be exclusive. For any of the other products, sometimes they are limited and they're just early releases, so join the Triple D Facebook page. I will leave that in the description box below, so you can always be up to date on which items you can get your hands on if you were not able to purchase a box. Do remember that boxes are limited every month, so if you're in the Facebook page, you'll know as soon as they drop and as soon as you can get one. But I hope that you like this video. Thank you for being my nail friend. Please like and subscribe, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.